Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating and redeeming game keys on epicgames.com. Whether you have received a free game key or purchased one, this guide will ensure that you get your game up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create or log into your Epic Games account. 1. Open your web browser and go to epicgames.com. https www.epicgames.com. 2. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. 3. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and click on Sign In. 4. If you are new to Epic Games, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. Step 2. Navigate to the store. Page 1. Once logged in, click on the Store option in the top navigation menu. 2. This will take you to the Epic Games Store, where you can browse various games and content available for purchase. Browser. Step 3. Access the redeem code. Section 1. In the top right corner of the store page, click on your account name or profile picture. 2. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem Code to access the activation section. Step 4. Enter your game key. 1. In the Redeem Code section, you will see a text field prompting you to enter your game key. 2. Carefully type in your game key. Make sure to input it exactly as provided, including any dashes or special characters. 3. After entering the key, click on the Redeem button to proceed. Dargzi, Barkbury. Step 5. Confirm and download your game. 1. If the code is valid, you will receive a confirmation message stating that your game has been redeemed. 2. Follow any additional prompts if necessary. 3. To download your game, click on the Library tab located in the top menu. 4. Find the game you just activated in your library and click on it. 5. Click the Install button to start downloading your game. Step 6. Launch your game. 1. Once the download is complete, you can launch the game directly from your library. 2. Click on the game thumbnail and then hit the launch button to start playing. Don't forget to check your game settings and preferences before diving into gameplay. Thank you for following this complete tutorial on how to activate and redeem game keys on epicgames.com. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy gaming!